All right, y'all. It's time. And you already know what time it is unless you don't know how to read a video title for some reason. But my local Target finally came clutch, bro, because they got the PlayStation Portal in stock as of this morning. And I've been trying to check this thing out for a minute now. And y'all know we got to go ahead and do. Let's get into it. So if you heard literally anything about the PlayStation Portal, you probably already know that this is like one of the most controversial things Sony came out with in a little bit now. Cause like this just mixed feelings with this. And look, bro, I ain't gonna cap. I think a big reason why so many people are like so mad about this thing, bro, is cause like they thought it was gonna be a PSP, which they never said that. This thing is strictly made to play PS5 games on the PS5 you already got when you're somewhere else. And I'm trying to see exactly what's to that. We're finally back here again at the legendary pool table. And it feel good, man. I ain't even gonna hold you. So the question for today is, did Sony put their foot on these people's necks? Or did everybody just overhype this shit again like the tech community just so happen to do sometimes? We gonna F around and find out. Anyway, we got over here the PlayStation logo. We got the actual like PlayStation Portal itself. We got the Sony logo, PlayStation Portal, all that stuff. And just to make this clear in case you ain't see it, you need a PS5 or a PS5 Slim and you need good Wi-Fi. So you can't do this on no Walmart, Obama Wi-Fi, all right? You can't get by with the food stamp Wi-Fi, all right? You're gonna need some decent Wi-Fi. But just looking here in the back, we just got some pretty standard stuff or whatever. And honestly, bro, the box is pretty basic. Now, if we go ahead and compare this to my PS5 remote, just looking here on the picture, it looks pretty much exactly the same, except we got a screen in the middle. So now I got about 13,000 knives. I'm completely exaggerating right now, but how the fuck I can't find one of them is beyond me. So we're gonna go and use a razor blade today, and we're gonna go and cut that open. And how do we open it? Just from the side like that. All right, cool. And let's see what's good with this. Boom, just like that. Remote player, exactly what it is. Not a PSP, it's a remote player. All right, get that right. Anyway, here we go. PS Portal. All right, drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I'm struggling. I can't seem to get this out. There we go. So this is the PlayStation Portal over here. So just holding this thing, it feels exactly like my PS5 remote. I got the same grip and everything. Nothing really too different with that. And honestly, this feels a lot more natural than I thought it would. I did not feel like it was going to feel this natural. But we got this over here, just basically telling us how to turn it on and all that. We don't need that. We just need this, I think, OLED screen over here. Am I right? Am I right? Now, obviously, with something like this, you ain't gonna get no touchpad or nothing like that like you get with the PS5 remote, as you can see here at the top. But at the same time, no, I don't ever really use that anyway, if I'm just being real. But we ain't gonna get too ahead of ourselves like we usually do. Let's go and check out the rest of the box over here. So, if we go ahead and open this compartment right here, it looks like we just got chargers and stuff. Which I was right. We only got one charger, but we got USB Type-C to Type-C, so that's cool. As for the rest of the box, we have a user manual, and you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side. As always, boom, unboxing, done, bit. Now let's see what's good with that PlayStation Portal. First ever boot up. Let's go and try it out. I think we hold on to this. Let's see what we get. I don't know if we have charge or not, but yeah, we might be dead. Oh, never mind. Hold on a second. We got a PlayStation logo. My bad, Sony. But honestly, just look around this thing real quick too. It is pretty slim, though, so I appreciate that. I mean, it literally just is a screen with maybe a small little motherboard up in there, but still. All right, so we got some volume up on here. Let me go and turn it up real quick. Just a little standard Sony sounds or whatever. So let's go and hop into Wi-Fi. Now, I do got Wi-Fi 6E. I don't know if this thing support Wi-Fi 6E, but I do got that, and I do got fiber gigabit Wi-Fi, so we'll see. Now, out the box, I can see that the microphone's muted. Let me go ahead and unmute that. Oh, I can't even do that right now. Connected to J-Home. Now let's go ahead and hop on this. So we is Central Time, Team Central Time. You know where we at, come through. And it's saying the date and time is wrong. So apparently Sony actually dropped this thing in 1969. I did not know a PS5 existed in 1969, but all right, cool. Now it's actually May 9th, so let me go and do that again. And it looked like we got a software update, so we will do that. Cool. I don't even think we got a choice anyway. All right, so now this update is telling us to go ahead and sign into the PlayStation Network. So we're going to go over here to the PlayStation app that I got over here on my iPhone because my Galaxy's upstairs charging. And apparently we go to settings and console management. So scan QR code just like that. All right, enable camera access, whatever. And let's see. Boom, just like that. Approve. Cool. Now we should be good. So connect to a PS5 to play. All right, so it's like the PS5. Now my question is, will it go ahead and actually turn on my PS5 and my TV while I'm out just because I'm trying to go and play my PS5? We'll see. We're ready to go. All right, let's go ahead and see if this thing connects to my PS5 or not. It should anyway. I hope so, with how much this thing costs, which is $200, so $199.99 for this. Now, I can't hear anything from my TV right now, so I don't know if it turned on or not, but we're going to go to the Smart Things app and we're going to find out. So far, when I look over here at my Samsung QN95BA, it still says it's turned off, so, I mean, it didn't turn it on yet, or if it will at all. Because I know usually when I turn on my PS5 from my PS5, it's going to turn on my TV, so I don't see that it turned on or nothing, so that's good. But it still says connecting though. I don't know why it's taking so long, because I did play from the actual PlayStation app on the iPhone and Galaxy. Can't connect to your PS5. What's going on here, man? So it's in standby and everything, so it's not turned off. But I use the PS Remote Play app all the time, man, so I don't understand what's going on with this. Now let's go to the Smart Things app. Let's see if it do it or not. So I just tried it a second time and it worked. Now I don't see that my TV is on yet, so okay. So it don't turn on my TV. That's cool. Now I wonder if it made that beep on the PS5 usually when you turn it on. But okay, so here we go. We actually got this thing connected now. Now I know you can't really use regular apps on there like if you use the PlayStation Remote Play app on the iPhone or Android. But if I go ahead and open up YouTube, and yeah, so you can't use apps like that. This is strictly meant for playing games. So let's go ahead and see. Microphone is off. And does this thing have a built-in microphone? I think it does. Let's go and pull up a game real quick, all right? So why not? We're going to play Fortnite. Now, I don't got the PlayStation Pulse headset to see if it'll work or not. But also, when I look around here, I don't see no headphone jack or nothing like that, unlike the PlayStation remote. So that's an ill. Seem to be running pretty smooth so far, though. Just running through menus and whatever else. I mean, seem to be doing pretty decent. Let me go to my friends list. Let me see if anybody online, which only one person online. And he on the app. Come on, bro. Now, because everybody want to be a fucking tryhard on Fortnite, I got to go and play on 0 build. So that's what we doing up on here. Because everybody want to build them Chicago Sears Towers in a matter of like 0.2 seconds on Fortnite. So I can't do all that, bro. Chill out. Now, in terms of the actual speakers on here, they pretty garbage. I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. Now, let's look around here a little bit more while we get into this Fortnite game. So, looking on the back, pretty simple, just white and black, just some Sony text over here on the back, but nothing really too crazy. Now, if we actually look over here, we have our regular controls. We got the R1, R2, whatever else, Sony logo. I think that might be a microphone. Now, I could be wrong, no. We got some volume controls. We have an actual link button, and then we got a power button. And these two dinky little things right here, that's actually the speaker, so you can cover that easy. But besides that, we got our regular controls over here, you know what I'm saying? We got our menu, we got our PlayStation button, we got our regular controls. So, I mean, nothing really different about this except that you're not going to get those actual tactile feelings that you get with the actual remote. What my Ninja Turtle over here doing? Yeah. Where we jumping? So I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a little bit awkward for me because I'm literally looking like right behind the camera, and it's a little bit weird for me because I got my arms out stretched out and whatever else. So I don't know if I'm gonna get no dub from this, but you know what? We're gonna just drop over here. Fuck it, why not? Now, you know what I should have pulled up now? With some Spider-Man or something, but it is what it is. We're gonna just land here. Now, just having this spread out, pause, it's not really uncomfortable for me. Like, it still feels pretty natural. Like, it's not as natural as me using a regular controller, but still pretty cool. I don't really feel like I would get uncomfortable with this unless I'm recording a YouTube video and I got my arms stretched out like 50 feet like I'm Stretch Armstrong, but yeah. I can't, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just actually pretty comfortable, bro. It's more comfortable than I thought. Now, I think I heard somebody. Did I hear somebody? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and mute this microphone, too, because I don't want everybody to know that I'm making a YouTube video right now, which is not like anybody going to hear me anyway, because nobody on my team except me. Now, I wonder how the battery life going to be up on here. So they told us we can go and do this to go and get to our controls, which we got 2 bars out here out of 3. So I'm going to have to go and see how that work out. And by the way, I just looked here in the menu. If I go over here, we got PS Link headsets. So we can use our regular PlayStation headset up out here, which is cool. But at the same time, though, I would have wished that we could plug in some regular headphones. You feel me? Now here's somebody over here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I can't see. I can't see. Did I get that dub? Yeah, I got that dub, bitch. What's good with it? Oh, shit. No. Wait, hold on. I was playing, bro. I was playing. It was a joke. It was a joke. It was a fucking joke, bro. Chill. Oh, my God, bro. All right, y'all got the point. Time to get up out of here. I thought I was feeling myself till they actually put me in check. Now, first impressions, you know what I'm saying? It's actually pretty decent, though. Now, let me go to the settings to see what we got up in here. So we got network, system. Let's see what's good with this. So just software updates, date and time, power saving, whatever else, display and brightness. So this is the brightest brightness that we got. And if I go ahead and go right here, it's a pretty decent brightness. Now, I don't know how it's going to be in the sunlight, but Not bad. So let's go to the controller here. And apparently we do have vibration. I felt a little bit of vibration, but it ain't gonna be nothing like a regular PlayStation controller, bro. The DualSense, you know how on the actual PlayStation controller on the trigger buttons, you can actually feel some kind of like resistance in some games? You don't get that on here. That would have been dope, especially seeing how much you're paying for this thing. But at the same time, no, we didn't get that. We just got a regular vibration that you get in like an Xbox controller or something like that, or the PS4 controller or whatever. Now, on whether this thing get the Jennings stamp of approval or not from me, look, man, this still yet to be determined because I still can't really figure that out yet because $200, they definitely tax it for this, all right? Let's keep it a buck, right? But it's so dope having your PS5 right here, man. Like, I know they got backbones and all that, and you can use your phone or whatever else, but you get all this right here. And Sony knows that. And it's crazy that they keep selling out of these, that you can't find these no more, and that they tax them even like in the resale market. So right now, I'm feeling this thing. My wallet ain't really feeling it, but it's still yet to be determined. So I'm gonna leave it at that. And I appreciate y'all for coming through though, man. It feel good being back on the channel. It's just like I'm dealing with writer's block right now, bro. I can't think of nothing. Having some of these new products feel good right now because it's actually helped me out a lot right now because I can actually bounce off ideas of having stuff like this. But y'all stay tuned though, man, because I still got notes in my phone of videos I still want to do. So it ain't really much right now. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, but I'm trying though. Don't think it's the laziness. I just can't think of much right now. And I know Apple just released some stuff like, what was it, today or yesterday or something? That's on my tax bracket. But with that being said, I'm gonna get up with y'all later, man. So I appreciate y'all for coming through. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And let me know how y'all feel about the PlayStation Portal, because I'm indecisive right now. I don't really know how I feel about this thing yet. Because basically, without a PS5 and without good internet, you assed out. Now, I could try it on some like pretty janky internet. I could literally go to McDonald's and try it if I want to. But that's a different video topic for a different time. But for right now, I'm gonna get up with y'all later, man. Peace out.